Let's face it, AI is changing everything. But it won't just replace jobs, it'll replace people who refuse to use it. Here are 5 powerful AI tools that could either take your job or make you 10 times more valuable, if you use them smartly. Let's begin. Number 1. ChatGPT. If your job involves writing, research, emails, customer support, or even basic coding, ChatGPT can already do it faster. But instead of fearing it, learn to work with it. Use it to boost your productivity and stand out. Next, Notion AI. It can summarize meetings, generate project plans, write documentation, and organize your ideas in seconds. If you're in project management, content, or admin, Notion AI can automate a huge chunk of your workflow. Third, Tome. Creating presentations, pitches, or product overviews. Tome uses AI to build stunning visual stories from just a few lines of text. This is a game changer for marketers, educators, and startup founders. At number 4, Fireflies.ai. It joins your Zoom, Meet, or Teams calls and takes perfect notes, automatically. No more scrambling to write things down. If you're in sales, HR, or client meetings, this tool is a must. And finally, Midjourney or Leonardo AI for designers. These AI art tools can generate beautiful images, graphics, and designs in seconds. If you're a designer and you're not using AI, you're already falling behind. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. Learn the tools, master the skills, and future-proof your career. Which tool are you using already? Drop it in the comments, and if you want to stay ahead of the curve, like subscribe and hit the bell for more videos on AI tools that level up your